In today's video, guys, I want you to get ready with me because I'm going to be showing you DIY a life changer video. If you are looking for a big lips like Kylie Jenner, today's video is for you. If you are looking for plumping white pink big lips, today's video is for you.
Friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Beck. Thank you so much for watching. If you are the type of person you are looking to have a fuller, a big lips, you really like Kylie Jenner lips, you want a bigger lips, you want your lips to be plumping, gorgeous whenever you put your lipstick or lip balm, today's video is for you. This scrub, you see this scrub, guys, I've been using it. I've seen a lot of changes and I've seen a lot of comments. People, they actually make a review of this remedy. This remedy particularly is for people that they could not have it to get the operation to inject the lips. Some people, they are afraid for future. Some people are afraid for future problem, for future consequences. So this one is very safe. It's home remedy. There's no side effects. All right, so I'm going to be share with you what is here. It's very good for blood circulation, and as well it's a great source to get rid of the dryness, and it's very good for lips exfoliates. So guys, I'm going to show you what I use here. So let's go. So the first ingredients, guys, we're going to be using, we all know the benefit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in excellent. We all know the benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in excellent exfoliating and moisturizing property. Cinnamon is a great lip plumper. So that is why we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in excellent exfoliating and moisturizing property. Cinnamon is a great lip plumper. It increases the blood circulation in the lips, skin, making them appear naturally red. It's why it is using as an activity ingredient in a lot of DIY. So cinnamon is very good. It controls the dryness and is very one of DIY property to use to increase your lips, and there's no side effects. The smiley low is very super. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon as well of brown sugar. Brown sugar is very good, powerful anti-exfoliant, powerful antioxidant to help to get rid of the lips dry. It's very good for scrubbing. It's very good for exfoliating as well. So 2 of them together, they are very superb to make your lips very big and wide and plumping and shiny. So we're going to be using olive oil. Olive oil is apply a shiny, is making your lips wide and greasy and get rid of the unwanted dryness. So all these ingredients together make you have a fuller and big lips. So you're going to be mixing it thoroughly. You mix it together until you could not see the sugar or the olive oil. So you make sure they look like a paste, like the one I show you. So you're going to be using this twice in a week for the best result. If you are very anxious to get the result, you can increase it to 3 times. So you use it first thing in the morning and you scrub it on your lips. You scrub it, you leave it there, scrub it for 15 minutes and just leave it there for another 20 minutes to penetrate to give you a best result. So what it's going to do, it will turn your lips with very pink and plumping and redness, very lovely. Just give it a go, and let me know what you think about this my remedy. It's very good. You can see it yourself. So you rub it for 15 minutes, leave it for another 20 minutes, rinse it with lukewarm water, 3 to 4 times in a week for best results. And you're gonna like it. Leave me a good comment, give my video thumbs up, and keep subscribed. Stay safe. Bye for now.